Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to temporarily disable Bitdefender Total Security 2020. Click Protection. Click Antivirus Settings. Turn off Bitdefender Shield. Change the time. Click OK. Real-time protection is disabled. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.